Article 8. Form of Government and Prior Debts. Section 1. Form of Government. So long as the governed people are willing to enforce this Constitution against offending government officers, it guarantees to the citizens a direct, bicameral legislative democracy with a representative republic form of government as detailed within this Constitution. Successful bills and/or candidates must attain at least two-thirds the majority of their respective total body of registered voters' consent, or fail for lack of consent, because of what our representatives did under the Articles of Confederation as it relates to our nation's debt, and what our representatives have done under the Constitution for the United States of America. This article makes it clear that any government person who subjects the people to any debt not specifically authorized by the Constitution of the United States of America, those government people who authorized the debt and/or did not actively work to repeal the unconstitutional debt become personally liable for settling that debt, as well as potentially facing charges of treason. Such debt must not belong to the people who have not, via the Constitution for the United States of America, authorized such debt. This same rule applies to all future debt incurred on behalf of the people, which the 2020 Founding Charter and Constitution for the United States of America has not specifically authorized. Section 2. Lawful Debts. Treaties, debts, contracts, engagements, obligations, trade deals, and such entered into by representatives prior to this Constitution, where the representatives properly presented it to the people as required by the unanimous Declaration of the United States of America, 1776, via this grievance, for imposing taxes on us without our consent, and which obtains the authority of those governed, and where constitutional authority exists, these debts must be honored under this Constitution. Section 3. Unlawful Debts. Where the debt obligation entered into by the representatives prior to this Constitution were not properly presented to the people to obtain their consent, or where no constitutional authority existed, those representatives who consented to that debt and those who did not repeal that debt while in office are personally liable for repaying that debt. Under this Constitution, on a case-by-case basis, the people may, after the fact, authorize those acts or debts, or to bring any living representative to trial for violating their oath of office, and/or for treason under the terms of the prior Constitution.